Whether you knit or crochet, both crafts have one thing in common. You need to get the yarn onto your needle or your crochet hook. And you're going to accomplish that with the slip knot. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the easiest slip knot. So if you've been struggling to just get your yarn onto your needle or hook, I hope that this helps. So begin by holding your yarn like so, with the loose end in your right hand and the working end in your left hand, and cross over that loose end over the working end so you have a loop. Reach your hand through that loop and pull up the working end into the loop, and you have a slip knot, just like that. You can pull this taut and slip either your crochet hook or your knitting needle into that slip knot. So let me show you one more time. You're going to hold your yarn in your hands with the loose end in your right hand and the working end in your left hand. Cross the loose end over the working end so you create a loop. Reach your hand into the loop and grab that working end of your yarn, pull it into the loop, and that is a slip knot. Now you pull it taut, and this time I'm going to slip my knitting needle into the slip knot. I really hope that this video was helpful. I'm going to link a beginner knitting video and a beginner crochet video in the description and here at the end of the video, so you have something to move on to next.